Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Um, Welcome back to Amaram Astro Services. How are you guys? Hope you're doing well. If you like the channel, please like it and also subscribe it so that I'm encouraged to share more and more content with you. So, today we'll be discussing about compatibility in astrology. In astrology, basically, people look at only the गुण मैचिंग, कितने गुण मिलते हैं, 36 में से कितने गुण मिलते हैं. So that is what people do, and it's a software. आप सॉफ्टवेयर में डेट ऑफ बर्थ डाल देंगे तो लोगों के कुंडलियाँ निकल जाती हैं, हॉरोस्कोप्स निकलती हैं. वो आसान तरीका है, कोई भी कर सकता है. बट कितने लोगों ने आपको बोला है कि तिथि के ऊपर, जो तिथि बोलते हैं, या वी कॉल इट लूनार डेज, हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव एक्चुअली स्पोकन अबाउट लूनार डेज, द कंपैटिबिलिटी, what are compatible dates and all those sort of things. चलो let's not deviate. I think तिथि हम जब बात करते हैं when it comes to matchmaking, it's a very important analysis. We call it घातक चक्र analysis, which basically means जो घातक होता है हमारे कुंडली में, मैलेफिक्स होते हैं, ईविल होता है, वो शादी के लिए हम कैसे उसको देख सकते हैं. तो जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. देयर आर मेनी वेज वेयर यू कैन से इफ समवन इज कंपैटिबल और इफ समवन इज नॉट कंपैटिबल. नाउ वी नो दिस 36 पॉइंट सिस्टम, जिसको हम गुण बोलते हैं, और 36 गुण में से अगर 18 गुण मिलते हैं तो पंडित जिनको आप कुंडली दिखाते हैं वो बोलते हैं कि दिस इज़ फाइन. So it's a very straightforward software dependent system where you put in the date of birth, the time of birth, and the place of birth of two people, and then you get the point. It's based on the point system where you derive to a certain point out of 36. And then there is Sama Saptaka, where it means Sama means equal, Upapada and Subhapati. So there are different ways. So the least talked about is the Ghatak Chakra analysis, which I am talking about. So what it basically means, what Ghatak means. Ghatak is basically evil, and there is an analysis where you take certain details from the horoscope, and then you determine based on the charts which I've placed, जिसके आधार पे आपको अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ. आप सभी लोगों को जिन को जानना है वो अपने डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ आपके और आपके पार्टनर के, आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, मेरे को भेज सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे भी भेज सकते हैं, यहाँ कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. उससे पहले अगर आप लोगों ने लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ कर लें. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो बेसिकली मैंने जैसे कहा, घातक चक्र एनालिसिस में 2 चार्ट्स मैंने डाले हैं. ये इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. इसका बेसिकली मतलब ये है कि अगर आपका जन्म एरीज या मेष राशि में हुआ है तो आपके लिए घातक हैं मेष राशि खुद. ये तिथि का एक कैटेगरी होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं नंद, और दिन रविवार, नक्षत्र मघा नक्षत्र, और लगन मेष लगन, सेम सेक्स, एंड लगना जिनके ऑपोजिट सेक्स होता है वो लिब्रा. उसके बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं. सो बेसिकली एनीवन हु इज बॉर्न विथ अ जन्म राशि where moon is in Aries, these are the घातक. Moon or the day, Tithi is also called the lunar day, and we have 30 lunar days, and this is the day as such, starting from Sunday to Saturday. And then you have a nakshatra. We have 27 constellations. So For every Rashi, there is a Ghatak Nakshatra, and then this comes up to whenever we go to matchmaking later, I'll put it up. So this is chart number 1. If you guys want to, please take a screenshot, you can go ahead and do that. And then you have a chart 2, which is basically, the category. Now you have this category of Tithi, that is the lunar day. And now for someone with a Aries Janam राशि और जन्म राशि जिसको हम कहते हैं, उसके लिए जो द नॉस्पिशियस तिथि कैटेगरी इज नंदा बेसिकली. सो नंदा मतलब ये हुआ. 1 is basically the first day in the lunar cycle, both in Shukla Paksh and Krishna Paksh. And then it starts from 1 to 15 in the Shukla Paksh, and then 15 to 30 in the Krishna Paksh. Shukla Paksh is waxing moon, Krishna Paksh is waning moon. So, in this chart, wherever it's written Nanda, Purna, Bhadra, Jaya, you'll have to look at those these days, lunar days, which is not auspicious. And you can also find the Tattva here, which is Jala Tattva, Prithvi, Agni, Vayu and Akasha, and the lordships also. And while we analyze the chart, I will take you through. And now there's an illustration where I've given a scenario where you have both husband and wife, both born in Aquarius Janma Rashi, and the Janma Tithi is Tritiya. How do I know this? Is they born in the Janma Tithi Tritiya? That is 3. That is either it could be in the Krishna Paksh or in the Shukla Paksh, but it's Tritiya. Will this marriage work as per the Ghatak Chakra analysis? And as per the 36-point system, they've got 20 out of 36, which is acceptable, not great. So let's analyze it through the system. So basically मैं कहना ये चाह रहा था कि both husband और wife दोनों कुंभ राशि के में जन्म हुए हैं और उनका जन्म तिथि है तृतीय, जो तीसरा है. कृष्ण पक्ष में भी है, हो सकता है, या शुक्ल पक्ष में भी हो सकता है, दोनों में तृतीय होता है. तो ये मैरिज, ये शादी कैसे काम करेगा और हम कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे घाटक में, तो ये हमने बताया हुआ है यहाँ पे. तो इसमें 36 पॉइंट सिस्टम में 20 आते हैं 36 में से, जो ठीक ठाक है. और राशि भी सेम वही है, और राशि का स्वामी भी शनि है. तो फिर क्यों ये ठीक है या नहीं है, फिर आगे देखते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हमको क्या पता है, जो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, जो चीज़ें यहाँ पे हैं. सो द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड आउट व्हाट वी नो अबाउट द कपल. वी नो दैट द जन्म राशि ऑफ बोथ पार्टनर्स is Aquarius, and the Janma Tithi of both partners is Tritiya, that is the 3rd day. So this is what we know right now. Now going forward, whenever we have to analyze through the Ghatak Chakra analysis, we'll have to find these things out. How do we find these things out? We already know the Janma Rashi of the man, which is Aquarius, Kumbh, यहाँ पे. We know the Janma Tithi, which is Tritiya. That's here. We know the Ghatak. We don't know the Ghatak Tithi of the man. We don't know the Ghatak Tithi of the woman. But we know the Janma Rashi, Janma Tithi of the man, Janma Rashi of the woman, and Janma Tithi of the woman. So now let's find out what's the Ghatak Tithi of the man. Now, as you've looked at it, if you go back to this chart where I've shown, if you go back to Aquarius, यहाँ पे Aquarius में जो घातक तिथि है वो जय है, और चार्ट नंबर 2 में आप जया देखेंगे वो तृतीय, अष्टमी और त्रयोदशी, ये 3 दिन हैं जो अशुभ हैं कोई भी कुंभ राशि के जन्मे किसी किसी के लिए भी. So anyone born with an Aquarius Janma Rashi, this is the inauspicious Tithi days, that is. So now looking at both the partners, both of them are Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi born, and the Tithi we know is Tritiya, that is the Tritiya which on the day they were born. Now the Ghatak we know it is 3, 8 and 13, that is this. So when you go to both the man and woman, it is 3, 8 and 13 which is Ghatak for each other. So it shouldn't be in the partner's Janma Tithi. So now if you look at the conclusion what I've just said previously, for both the Janma Rashi is Aquarius or Kumbh and the Janma Tithi is Tritiya. And for Aquarius Janma Rashi, the Tithi belongs to Jaya category, which is Tritiya, Ashtami and Trayodashi. Those are the days, 3rd, 8 and 13. So, and for the Janma Tithi 3, born on 3, the Ghataka Tithi is 3 itself. And Jaya also belongs to the Agni Tattva, governed by Mars. That was in the chart 2 previously. So the issues will be from both sides. It could be ego issues, it could be Mars related. Mars relates to Ugra, the domination and the physical fights, abuses dominate in the relationship, and that is what has been observed in this relationship. So this is one way of looking at it. So if you guys would want to know yours or need help regarding this, please reach out to me in the links in the link below. Looking forward, my contact details are available. So please subscribe the channel and help us do more. Thank you so much.